Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope y'all enjoyed that. It's Paul Perkins. We're back again. Got some more exciting news. So we just got accepted to a major conference. It's called Collision. It's going on April 30th to May 3rd down in New Orleans. So that's what the Trumpet is all about. I want to give y'all some of that New Orleans flavor. Real excited about it, man. Just once again, just getting a chance to not only spread the startup centric culture, but Orion's culture, Orion's vision, and putting us on the map, around the country. So real excited. Stay tuned, like us, share, just follow us, and we're gonna keep it going. All right, hold the universe, and we catch y'all soon. Peace.